Hello. Namaste. On behalf of Edinburgh Hindu Mandir, I would like to welcome the interfaith group and the various leaders here. This is my first speech, so please be kind. So as Ian mentioned in his introduction, that the origin of interfaith is almost 124-year-old. Like in this month of September in 1893, the World Parliament of Religion held in Chicago, where Swami Vivekananda from India represented Hinduism, and he talked that how Hindus sheltered all the persecuted of all religion, and Hinduism has taught the world not only tolerance but universal acceptance. We respect and value the tradition or culture which try to promote and maintain and develop peace and tolerance as a means of mutual enrichment. We acknowledge that a relationship of trust can only be developed by sincere interfaith dialogues. This relationship can inspire religious people from all tradition to work together to establish theistic conclusion that will lead to God-conscious ethos and social harmony in our modern world. Together we can engage our individual spirituality in addressing the bigger world problems such as war, violence, moral decline, intoxication, poverty and hunger, social instability and environment degradation. I would like to end my speech with a prayer on peace. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu Ma Kasyat Dukh Bhag Bhavet, which means may all be prosperous, happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is spiritual upliftment, may no one suffer. Om, peace, peace. Another sloka is from Yajurveda. Om Deo Shanti, Antariksha Shanti, Prithvi Shanti, Rapah Shanti, Aushadhaya Shanti, Vanaspataya Shanti, Vishwe Deva Shanti, Brahma Shanti, Sarva Shanti Reva Shanti, Shama Shanti Redhi, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May peace radiate there in the whole sky as well as in the vast ethereal space and everywhere. May peace reign all over this earth, in water and in all herbs, trees and creepers. May peace flow over the whole universe. May peace be in supreme being, and may there always exist in all peace and peace alone. Om, peace, peace, peace. Thank you.